This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to play 4 different melodies together that are written in the key of B major. Of course, we'll be reading those melodies in standard music notation and playing them in first position on the guitar, as that is the focus of this lesson series. Now, in the last video, we worked on playing the B major scale in first position, learned about the key of B major. If you went through that video, you'll remember that the key of B major has 5 sharps: F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. The only natural notes left in this key are E natural and B natural. So we'll be playing E natural and B natural. The rest of the notes will be played sharp instead of natural. So lots of sharps, super fun. As we're playing these melodies, of course, we'll be jamming along right with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment. So we get to be jamming with the band besides you and I playing the melody together, which is super fun and super helpful. This video accompanies lesson 21 from my Note Reading Books 1 and 2 Method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 134 and 135, doing songs 9, 10, 11, and 12. Each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos, first a slower tempo and then a faster tempo per our usual. So we're just going to go ahead and jump in here and work on playing these melodies together, because we've worked on this key previously. In the last video, we worked right through that B major scale, got really comfortable playing the notes in the key of B major, so we are totally ready to just jam together playing these melodies. If any spot within them is tripping you up, then just pause the video and work that spot. I always say that, or I say that quite frequently, because that is the best way to progress solidly in your note reading ability, progress in developing the best technique that you can get playing the guitar. But it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play these melodies together. Alright, fantastic. In the next video, we're going to play the other 4 melodies that are part of Lesson 21 in the note reading book, so it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.